Yeah.
So pretty.
Come on, buddy, look up.
This is where the Barrel Springs sow and the two cubs hang
Oh,
out.
really?
So he's probably
Yeah, he's sniffing and smelling that.
yeah.
Which is bad news.